So after a very long day at Machu Picchu yesterday, today I actually have a free full day and night in Cusco. I'm going to explore it, but I'm not going to eat at some rip-off, inflated tourist price restaurant. I'm going to eat where the locals eat. I'm going to find all the local places, and my hotel staff actually pointed some directions to me. And I'm going to have some adventures, grow some balls and go eat where the locals eat. Also, I'm going to do the same thing with shopping. Anyways, let's see what there is today.
It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. It's time to live in harmony. We want to live in harmony. Sometimes dark ages still live in us, still full of hatred and much distrust. Have we as humans evolved at all? We have to learn, or we all will fall.
Imagine a world we're free to choose. Imagine a world we're free to love. Are you ready to make this dream come real? Spread this call like birds high above.
It's time to live in harmony. We want to live.
I think this is the Inca period constructed wall where, look at that, all precise cutting, no mortar used. Pretty impressive. Wanted to get Peruvian soup today. Check this out. Oh shit, this is so good. Oh man. Cheap, 7 soles. They gave me something else here. Don't really know what it is. It's like a warm apple juice or something. It's okay, it's refreshing. I just bought this for 60 cents. It's some type of meat turnover. Just keep eating.
In the end, we all really want the same thing: to live in a world we're free to say.